In this video, I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox 2026. Start by leaving the game if you're in one, then select More in the Roblox app. Go across and open the settings, then head up and select Account Info. You can also do this on the website by clicking on the gear icon and opening the settings. Go down and press the Continue with Selfie button. If you don't have it, then you'll need to select Continue. If you have already estimated your age, then you may already have voice chat and just need to turn it on. Alternatively, you may need to verify with ID. Verify if needed, then click the Continue button. Click Continue if your current device has a camera or webcam. If you don't, then select Continue on another device and use the QR code or email to continue verifying on your other device. Select Allow or Yes if asked to allow access to your camera. Center your face in the provided circle, making sure the room is well lit. Then follow the steps and turn your head as guided. You may need to manually take a photo for each step, or it may do it automatically. Once done, your age will be estimated. To get voice chat, I believe you will need your age to be estimated as 13 or older. Go back to the Roblox settings if needed. Then select Privacy and Content Restrictions. Open the Communication settings, then select Experience Chat and turn on the Experience Chat option. Load into a game that has voice chat. Select Allow if asked to allow access to your microphone. Head up to the top and click on the microphone button to unmute your mic if it isn't already. If you see a headset icon, then click it to connect to voice chat. Click the Roblox icon to open the menu. Select Settings from the menu, then locate the Input Device setting. Use the arrow to select the microphone you want to use for voice chat. Set the output device to the headset or speaker you're going to be listening to the game and chat audio with. Make sure your volume is turned up so you can hear voice chat. Then close the settings. You now know how to get voice chat on Roblox. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.